The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. New projects emerge with ambitious goals. PiNetwork, a mobile-first cryptocurrency, is one such project. It has gained significant attention since its inception. The network allows users to mine Pi coins using their smartphones. Now, PiNetwork is on the verge of a major milestone, its mainnet launch in the first quarter of 2025. This launch marks a pivotal moment for PiNetwork and its millions of users. It signifies the transition from a testing phase to a live operational blockchain. The mainnet launch is a statement of intent. It shows PiNetwork's commitment to creating a more inclusive and accessible digital economy. This essay will delve into the significance of this launch. We will explore what it means for users and investors. The mainnet launch is not just a technological event, it represents a shift in how we think about cryptocurrency. It challenges the traditional, often complex world of blockchain technology. PiNetwork aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. The mainnet launch is a crucial step in realizing this vision. To understand the significance of PiNetwork's mainnet launch, we need to understand what a mainnet is. In the simplest terms, a mainnet is the final, live version of a blockchain platform. Think of it as a ship, finally launching after being built and tested in a shipyard. Before a cryptocurrency project launches on its mainnet, it typically operates on a testnet. A testnet is like a testing ground. It allows developers to identify and fix any issues before the platform goes live. The mainnet is the real deal. It's where real transactions happen, and real value is at stake. Launching on a mainnet signifies that a project is ready for the world. PiNetwork's mainnet launch is expected to bring several key features and benefits. One of the most significant is the ability for users to finally have full control over their Pi coins. During the testnet phase, Pi coins were essentially IOUs. They existed, but users couldn't do much with them. With the mainnet, Pi coins will become truly tradable and usable within the PiNetwork ecosystem. The mainnet will also usher in a new era of decentralized governance for PiNetwork. Users will be able to participate in the decision-making process of the network. This will be done through a consensus mechanism. This ensures that the network remains secure and democratic. Furthermore, the mainnet launch is expected to attract more developers to the PiNetwork ecosystem. This will lead to the creation of new decentralized applications, or dApps, and services. These dApps have the potential to revolutionize various sectors. This includes finance, social media, and gaming. The mainnet launch will provide a robust platform for these dApps to thrive. Section 4. User and Investor Expectations, Navigating the Launch. The mainnet launch is a significant event for both existing PiNetwork users and potential investors. For users, it represents an opportunity to finally realize the value of the Pi they have mined. However, it's important to note that the launch doesn't necessarily mean Pi will skyrocket in value overnight. The value of Pi will be determined by market demand. Users should approach the launch with realistic expectations. They should focus on the long-term potential of the Pi network. For investors, the mainnet launch presents a chance to get involved in a project with a large and active community. However, it is crucial to conduct thorough research before investing. Understand the risks involved. Remember that cryptocurrency investments are inherently volatile. Section 5. Historical Context, Comparing PiNetwork to Past Launches. To put PiNetwork's mainnet launch into perspective, it's helpful to look at previous cryptocurrency launches. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, launched its mainnet in 2009. It took several years for Bitcoin to gain widespread adoption and for its price to appreciate significantly. Ethereum, another major cryptocurrency, launched its mainnet in 2015. Ethereum's launch brought about the concept of smart contracts and dApps. This revolutionized the blockchain space. While PiNetwork shares some similarities with these projects, it also has unique characteristics. Its mobile-first approach and emphasis on accessibility set it apart. The success of PiNetwork will depend on various factors. This includes its ability to attract developers, onboard new users, and foster a thriving ecosystem. The mainnet launch is a significant step. However, it is just one step in a long and potentially challenging journey.